Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video tutorial. This will be the second board on virtual sacrifices. Uh, so if you have not read the lecture notes in front, please do. Without further ado, let us begin today's analysis. It will be Red's turn to move in this situation, and as can be seen, Black is targeting the elephant for a immediate checkmate. So material-wise, Red would have two chariots, two horses, one cannon, four pawns, and a full guard. Black would have likewise two chariots, two horses, one cannon, but only three pawns and a lack of an elephant. So Black will be threatening with checkmate, and usually the common line of thought would be to play e3 plus 1. However, Black can play c7 equals to 8, threatening to checkmate, and Red would be forced to will be forced to move the cannon away. But at this point in time, Red's formation was still in disarray, and he will still be in all sorts of trouble. So the recommended move would be to play h5 plus 7 to sacrifice the elephant. Check. And after Black tries to attack, Black would play c8 minus 1, which is a brilliant move to trade trade chariots, because the horse would now have protected the chariot over here, forcing the chariot away, and then thereby delivering a fork. And obviously, Red would gain one of the chariots and thus have a winning position. So h5 by 7 is a good idea. Now what would happen if instead of c7 plus equals to 9, Black tried to play Black played r2 equals 3. Again, Red would dislodge the chariot, capture the cannon, and Red would be able to launch a counter attack, which is very deadly. So again, it would be very easy for Red to achieve checkmate, whereas Black would have lost the cannon for no avail. So let us review this board from the eyes of Black. As can be seen, Black was prepared to checkmate. Now, if you were to move the elephant away, Red's position would still be in disarray, and Black would be attacking very, very fiercely. Now, the recommended move, h5 plus 7, would now protect the chariot, and Black would make a mistake of capturing the elephant, and e7 plus 9. If r2 equals to 3, again the Black chariot is dislodged. This is a very important intermediate move, capturing the cannon. After trading material, a check, and we will be able to launch a counter attack without much worries. If c7 equals to 9, again dislodging the chariot, followed by a fork by the horse. So I hope you enjoyed this very short and exciting example, and if you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and give this video a thumbs up.